In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Safety Check in Google Chrome so you can quickly review your browser security and make sure everything is protected. This is a really useful feature if you want to check for security problems, harmful extensions, password leaks, unsafe browsing settings, and even make sure Chrome is up to date. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you usually launch your browser. Once Chrome is open, you're ready to go into the settings area where Safety Check lives. Now, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you can access all of your browser controls and settings. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will take you to the full Chrome settings page. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the tools Chrome uses to protect your browsing experience, including security options, site controls, and Safety Check. Now click Safety Check. If you don't immediately see it, just look through the Privacy and Security section until you find it. Chrome will then run a quick scan of your browser and show you important security information. This may include password warnings if any saved passwords were exposed in a leak, alerts about unsafe websites, notices about disabled protections, and reminders if your version of Chrome is outdated. As you review the results, pay close attention to any recommendations Chrome gives you. If Chrome suggests changing a compromised password, do that as soon as possible. If it flags harmful or suspicious extensions, remove them right away. If protections are turned off, turn them back on. And if Chrome says the browser is out of date, update it so you're using the latest security fixes. Safety Check is especially helpful because it brings all of these security checks together in one place. Instead of hunting through multiple menus, Chrome gives you a simple overview of your browser health and points out anything that needs attention. It's a fast way to stay safer online, especially if you do a lot of browsing, online shopping, or sign in to important accounts through Chrome. If you want to make this a regular habit, you can come back to Safety Check anytime and run it again. It only takes a moment, and it can help you catch issues before they become bigger problems. So to recap, open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, and then open Safety Check to review your browser's security status. Follow any recommendations Chrome gives you, and you'll have a much safer browsing experience. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.